What are you doing?
I'm running around outside.
Wonderful. I'm going to start by, this motor shot has 0 compression.
Definitely.
Yeah. So, we're going to attempt. Get all the bolts off of this thing. We're gonna find the right one. Maybe. That's that. Hey, Brayden. That's the old motor.
Oh, it's pretty rusty.
Oh yeah, it's rusty all right. Chain's all rusted up. And get like some little WD-40 on that probably. Nope, we can't steer yet. But we'll work on that next.
Like on this, you can steer better. It doesn't need engine.
Say what? Your foot is the engine that steers. All right. Well, now that we got that motor off, let's wash it. Perfect power. Go for it. Do it again.
I'm doing one more.
Turn it on a dime. Turn it on a dime. There you go. Good. Getting that balance down.
Dude, this is so weird. Nice. Ow. It could have bonked my head. It's not in it.
Hey. Go get
Get on the skis first. Oh, okay. This is really hard than I thought. Okay, now I do.
We're at O'Reilly's. That's the nickel. I could probably get you a quarter.
Yeah, please, 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 please.
Well, come on in. Where are we at? Well, I don't work at this store, but
Oh,
what's the song?
O'Reilly's.
Say what? Do it again.
Hello.
Did you spend the quarter?
Hmm?
You
On
got
gum.
candy on gum. Come on. Got some WD-40 and PB Blaster. We're gonna try to fix your go-kart. Let's go. We'll go home while it's still sort of daylight. 8:30. Maybe we can get a little bit done. I don't know if we'll be able to break it loose today, but if nothing else,
Tomorrow we'll fix it too.
well, I gotta work late tomorrow. No, don't climb in like that. But tomorrow I gotta work late. But Wednesday I'll be off, so as soon as you get off from school, we'll get started on it right away. Buckle your seatbelt. Alright guys, this was pretty stiff. I put little PB Blaster penetrating right there, there, and right up there, and down on the bottom there, and it's already freeing up a bit, so we might not have to do much. It should be freed up pretty good. This is gonna be pretty close. Turn that way, now turn it the other way. See, it's still a little hard, but you can turn it now, right? We got a little bit going now. Now we gotta get a motor.
Yeah.
Bye.